Actually, every fish in the Lake Mayet is consumable at fit for consumption. However, there are findings with regards to the contents of heavy metals. Wala na daw ng problema naman kayo. There are other portions within the boundary of Alegria areas, particularly Alegria, where mining is being rampant, and within boundary of Cerro Alegria, the use of mercury is high. That's why there are species of high mercury contents of the fishes in the Lake Mayet. Ang mga ito na dili sa pwede sa mga sektor. Pero kami, ang sa kami mga tao, kaya ang mamaya mo daw pamahaw pa nito pa nihapon. Ang bidana. Anyway, schistosomiasis cannot be caught in the fish. Sa dili na nimo siya dili na siya matransfer ng isda kadto sa tao. Through the wounds na siya ang feeding on the freshwater during night time or in the wee hours of the night or early morning, because the sun definitely can kill, according to findings, 30 minutes of sunlight can kill Schistosoma aponicum, the bacteria na gawas sa mga aponicum sa shield, yung gagmay na shields. By the way, isang gani dyan na mo, taglaw na kayang buhay, hamok mo dyan kayang buhay, uun na magaya na mo dyan, kilawon, yan may nangalaot, daw na mo mga igi, fusion, amo mo dyan, kilawon mo gani dyan, yan may nakapagidili man dyan siya mo, putin, dili dyan siya kung host na Schistosoma aponicum. So, by the way, sa kung magpansin ka na fishing sa Lake Mayet, kaya naman ang may init now, maglaw na ito is a threatened ecosystem because of the migratory fish that comes close and in and they make like bayanak, ingaw, and nandun mga other mga fish na tawag na ito, na seawater fish that come in, kaya naman kaya naman good na overfishing naman ang Lake Mayet. So, at times siguro, if you want to have a fishing contest, maybe you have to study because there are seasons na during that time prevailing doon mga big fishes. Likewise also in the Bohol Sea, particularly sa from Anaw-Awon down to Butuan Bay, called Bohol Sea. So mga I have to ask Member Bernal kung nagkandak mo na study because there's also a migratory fish that's coming within. Medyo may among season dito sa tinatawag na mo sa Abunggasanan sa Tubay, nagtawag na mo Tambal Festival. So during the Tambal season, particularly July, but because of climate change, nag-change na sa ang isda kuman, o advance usay mo ulit, ito niyo magsiguro, pero we have a Tambal Festival. When there is plenty of Tambal, the bigger fish will go within. Kaya mo mo siya Surigao Strait or nagtawag na ito Dapak Sounds o Dapak Sounds and Dinagat Sounds o Dapak Channel suyod siya dili sa dali arib niyo mo cycle naman doon. So amo doon tayo na nagtuod yung mga isda doon kay ping panahon man doon kay even if you put aggregating tawag natin na payaw aggregating device, you have put aggregating device in the municipality of boundary of Malimono, Habunga, tapos Tubay, because that's part of the Lake Mayet area. And when you put aggregating device, taghang tayo din ang tagtog at isda. During ba sa medyo aggregating device, at tawag na payaw, paayong mo doon. Paayong. Ayong dito ang mga isda na gagmay, sundo na doon ang dagpo. So amo doon ang time siguro na bibili ka na study. So also with the Siargao Island fishing. That's all, Mr. Chair.